How to fix iPhone notification not showing lock screen after iOS new update. Without wasting the time, let's start the video. Solution number 1. Open the settings app. You can see appears on screen. Click on notifications. Tap on show previous. You can see appears on screen. Select the always. Now tap on it. And back to notifications. Here select the app that you don't get notification on lock screen. Toggle turn on allow notifications. You can see appears on screen. Back to home. Solution number 2. Turn off do not disturb. Make sure that do not disturb is disabled. If it's enabled, you won't get notifications. Back to home. Solution number 3. Open the settings app. Tap on screen time. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Toggle turn on. Enter time passcode. Back to home. Solution number 4. Open the settings app. Tap on general. And tap on transfer and reset iPhone. Reset all settings and complete the process. Back to home. Solution number 5. Open the settings app. Tap on general. Tap on shutdown. Drag to the slide to power off after 5 to 10 seconds and turn it on. That's it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.